The smartphone industry is abuzz with anticipation for a compact yet powerful device, and while many have longed for an iPhone 17 mini, it seems the OnePlus is stepping up to meet this demand with its own offering, the OnePlus 13 mini. According to recent leaks by Ylab on Weibo, the OnePlus 13 mini design renders have surfaced online, hinting at multiple rear panel variations. These renders, originally from Xiaohongshu, showcase different camera arrangements, including both vertical and horizontal layouts, with single or dual LED flash modules. A common element among them is the presence of a dual camera setup on the back, with one design featuring a rectangular housing branded with Hasselblad. The concept renders depict a boxy frame with rounded edges, volume and power buttons on the right, and either an alert slider or a new smart action button on the left. The OnePlus logo is centrally placed, and while the renders show a white variant, actual color options may differ at launch. Ylab's post also notes that one of these renders could be close to the final design, though no specific confirmation has been made. Recent leaks by Smart Pikachu on Weibo suggest that the OnePlus 13 mini could be among the first smartphones to feature the Snapdragon 8 S Elite chipset, a refined version of the flagship Snapdragon 8 Elite found in the standard OnePlus 13. The device is also rumored to feature a 5.4-inch OLED display with ProMotion technology, offering a smoother 120 Hz refresh rate for a more responsive experience. In addition to this, Smart Pikachu also suggested that the device will boast an impressive 6,000 mAh battery, a capacity that matches the larger OnePlus 13. Paired with the brand's renowned fast-charging technology, rumored to support 80-watt charging, this substantial battery could offer users exceptional endurance. Reports by DCS point to a horizontal dual-camera layout featuring a 50-megapixel main sensor and a 50-megapixel Samsung JN5 telephoto lens with 2x zoom. This shift from an earlier rumored vertical camera island to a classic horizontal setup blends retro aesthetics with modern technology. A notable design evolution accompanies these specifications. OnePlus is making a bold move by removing the iconic alert slider, a signature feature of its smartphones, from its upcoming lineup, including the 13 mini. This decision, confirmed by a post from the OnePlus CEO on a community forum, has sparked mixed reactions among fans, particularly after the backlash seen with its removal in the OnePlus 10T. In its place, the company is introducing a customizable button that retains the core functionality of toggling between silent, vibrate, and ring modes, while adding greater flexibility. Users can assign custom actions such as launching apps, adjusting settings, or executing commands. OnePlus has a history of offering competitive value, with the OnePlus 13 priced at approximately $900 and the 13R at $600. Estimates suggest the 13 mini will fall between $700 and $800. The expected launch timeline points to a release in the second quarter of 2025, though official details remain forthcoming.